Hello everyone. This is a different video. This is a video of me testing out or finding issues in the software I use. So I'm doing some statistical analysis, I'd say, regarding like employment and labor force. I'm just calculating the difference between the two. So I have my data here and I've downloaded it and it's a CSV file. Now I have three softwares to open a CSV file. So the first one's Excel. And I don't own Excel at the moment because I thought I didn't need it, but I might rethink my choices because of what I'm about to show you. So if we look here, you see the numbers are formatted correctly, 30,554. However, if we open this in LibreOffice, this is all right, like I think LibreOffice does a good job. This isn't really about LibreOffice, it's more about the other software that I'm about to show you, which is OnlyOffice. So I'm trying to open. Okay, so I can't open that. So let me open this really quickly. Okay, so when I open LibreOffice, the issue is that it's unreadable, right? It's very hard to read. However, so that's the reason I'm not going to use LibreOffice is because it's so freaking hard to read. Okay, but we got it. So I guess it works. I need to change the theme of LibreOffice. This is just straight up too much for me. Huh. Apparently you can't change it to non-dark theme, which is really weird. Okay, anyways, it works fine, the numbers are correct. However, if I open OnlyOffice, the numbers are completely wrong. The numbers are completely wrong by a factor of 10,000. And it's a CSV file. So that's why I'm never using OnlyOffice again for Excel. The numbers are wrong. I have budgets in Excel. I have budgets in spreadsheets. I don't want my numbers to be wrong. This is insane. It's a CSV file and it's formatted incorrectly and the numbers are wrong. So it's completely broken. It makes no sense that it's like this. It's a huge bug. I don't know what's going on. This is ridiculous.